this short video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a database that you have on your computer to your cloud server. A couple of things to watch out for. First of all, in your database, if we go to Manage Security, you can't have a guest login. You have to have a login that requires a password, or else it won't work. I'm just going to put in my favorite password of test. And ideally, your main admin password should be the same for all databases that you've got hosted on your server. It doesn't have to be, but it does make life a bit easier if you do that. Okay, so now it's going to make sure that I have the ability to log in as an admin. The next thing you need to check is under sharing, share with FileMaker clients. You need to make sure that network sharing is on and that either all users or specific users can share your database. If we go to File Options, we need to turn off the login using, and it might be a good idea to set a minimum version that's allowed to open up your database. It's not essential, but it might be useful. Okay. So that's great. In the API tool that you've got, you will need your FM admin username and password. So here we go. We go to File, Sharing, Upload to Host. And it's going to warn us that it's going to close the database first, which is fine. And then we need to choose which server it's going to be uploaded to. So obviously you will have in this list your FileMaker server. And when you click on your FileMaker server, it will ask you for a name and password. The name and password it's going to ask you for is the name and password that you've got in your FM admin username and password here. It's completely fine to save the password. And let me just choose one of mine. Okay, and we're going to sign in. And we can choose the destination. Now, if you're on a server with a number of different folders, you can choose which folder or subfolder you want your database to be put into. Yeah, we've got to tick on upload, which is fine. And we've got to tick on automatically open files on the server after upload, which is exactly what we want. So let's go for this. Click upload. There we go. Yeah, we want to open up the database once we're done. And we put in admin and test. And there we go. We are now opening up the database from the server. Now the version that you've got on your computer, you can just discard or put it in your backups. And next time you want to open up that same file, if I try and open up the original, it will warn me that there is a hosted version. So yeah, we would most of the time go into that hosted version, just as a sort of safety net. And there you have it. That's how you upload your database to the server in the normal Claris FileMaker way.